And now here we have the Gould and Eberhardt vertical gear hobber department. Starting with our 72-inch G&E vertical gear hobber. You'll see over here racks of change gears. A rack of change gears here. As we move around here, another rack of change gears for G&E hobbers. The next hobber down is a 48-inch Gould and Eberhardt, a G&E 48-inch vertical gear hobber. In the back, another rack of gears. You got a whole bunch of change gears in a nice divider rack and cabinet. And then another Gould and Eberhardt 48-inch gear hobber, change gears, heavy duty shop pallets with a special part pallet jack for these, a number of those. There's also little chip pins that can be picked up with that hoist deal and on the fork attachment to be able to tip them. And that's the G&E gear department.